And the government says there will be less food imports this year. This as the country moves closer to self-sufficiency in food supply. We'll have the full report from Freddy Abando.
Agriculture grew by 3.2% in 2012 to ensure food security for the country. The Agriculture Department's top priority for 2013 is to move the country closer to self-sufficiency and reduce the country's dependence on imports. For this year, projected imports is a lot less compared to what has been imported in 2009, when the volume hit 2.5 million metric tons.
I think magpapabid na po yata sila within this week. Pero ito po, it will be part of the buffer natin. So halos ando na tayo at as hindi naman po kami nagbabago na aming pronouncement. After 2013, we will really be self-sufficient. Kasi kaya po after 2013, on the last semester of the year, doon po yung volume na malaki na during the nag-harvest ang buong bansa natin.
The imported rice will be buffer stock to cope with any emergency that may arise from natural calamities. Agriculture Secretary Proceso Alcala said the importation is also part of a contingency that may arise due to the rising tensions on the Korean Peninsula. Alcala said the government is prepared at all times to secure the country's food supply.
Wala pong problema po tayo kasi ito nga po yung advantage ng what we have projected na tayo po yung magkakaroon ng sariling kakayanan natin. Sapagkat kung if every time na nagkakaroon ng conflict sa mga katabi nating bansa at saka wala po tayong sariling kakayanan, ang problema po nito is yung pong freight service that will ferry yung pong mga goods doon sa mga magkakatabing bansa ay mas tataas po yung pagbabayad. So again, this only shows na yung pong ating programa na isinulong po natin yung pagkakaroon ng kasarilinan sa ating sariling supply ay tamang direction po.
A major boost to the self-sufficiency program of the government is the expansion of areas planted to rice. Projected 2013 is 21 million metric tons. The key is more irrigation, less waste due to improved post-harvest facilities and dealing with the threat of climate change. For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.